The process of converting a 3D model into a series of 2D cross-sectional layers, known as slicing, is crucial in resin 3D printing. The software used for this purpose is called a Slicify Master. B. Resin Slicer Pro. C. Slicing software. Answer: B. Resin Slicer Pro. When selecting a resin for 3D printing, understanding the term Short D hardness is important. Short D hardness measures the blank of a material. A. Flexibility. B. Impact resistance. C. Durometer. Answer: C. Durometer. In the context of resin 3D printing, the term curing time refers to blank. A. The time taken to slice a 3D model. B. The time the resin takes to solidify under UV light. C. The time it takes to post-process a print. Answer: B. The time the resin takes to solidify under UV light.